Alright boys, this is not a drill. This is not a drill. I'm about to say some words that I never thought would be coming out of my mouth in this lifetime. But boys, we're gonna go drive an R34 GTR today. Now a little backstory on this whole situation. My buddy Ben got invited by a couple of his buddies to go on a little bit of cruise. Now they all drive supercars, so naturally he's gonna want to bring the R34 out. And since the man has two of them, he asked me if I wanted to drive one of them on the cruise. And I gave him the only reasonable answer when somebody asks you if you want to drive an R34 GTR. Absolutely not. But the man is relentless, so I had him ask his buddies if it was gonna be a pretty spirited drive or what kind of drive it was gonna be. He said that they told him it was gonna be pretty leisurely, just a nice casual stroll around some scenic areas, you know, nothing crazy. To which I agreed, because I was like, you know what? I don't want to push the car, but a nice leisurely drive sounds nice. So I'm on my way to Ben's house. We're going to be picking up the old girl there. We're probably going to be driving the yellow girl, the one we drove up from California. If you guys didn't see those videos, go check them out. It was a great time. But I'm super stoked to bring you guys along. I think that Matt and Jimmy and a couple other buddies are going to be coming. So it should be a good time. These next clips should be in an R34 GTR. It still feels weird to say it, dude. I don't know. Alright boys, we're all strapped in and ready to go. This thing is a monster, dude. God, and it's such a nice day. Look at that sky! Oh, we're gonna have some fun today, boys. Up. Who gave me the keys to this shit? What the fucking shit is this, dude?
Dude, I don't know. I was gonna ask you how you were fucking feeling about all this.
I'm clenched. I have been clenched this entire time. I've been trying to figure out how the fucking AC works. Because like when I got in it, it was cold as shit, right?
Yeah.
And the AC was on full blast. And I was like, how do I turn this off? Like trying to drive and like, I was like, oh God. And then I finally got it to turn off. And then it got too fucking cold. And so I wanted to turn on the heater. So I was like trying to figure out how to turn it on, and then everything's in Celsius. So I'm like, how the fuck? How hot is hot? I don't know how hot.
But this is America.
It's like at 20 degrees Celsius. I was like, I don't know what that means. But I was like driving on the freeway trying to figure that shit out.
With the wrong fucking hand.
Yeah, dude.
How do I do this?
Everything's fucked up. Everything is fucked. Look, wipers, left hand.
Oh, dude, the wipers is the weirdest fucking part, dude.
Fucking show them, dude.
Look at the weirdest shit.
What the fuck is that?
Why is it backwards?
What the fuck is that, dude? Like every time I look at my mirrors, I look this way and this way. I look out of this window and I look at the dashboard and I'm like, where are my mirrors? Nothing makes sense, dude. Nothing makes any fucking sense.
Jesus fucking dude, like, you know, I need a fast car, Irvin.
Dude, I need a fast car, but I don't know if I want a fast car like this.
I think there's...
No, I mean, I totally do. I 100% do. This is fucked up. This is so fucking cool. But I don't know if I want a rear-wheel drive car this fast.
Okay.
It's fucked up. Oh, they're still going. Jesus Christ.
I don't know how they can fucking see. Jesus fucking Christ. Jeez, I can't even smile when you do that. I want to have so many emotions, but the car prohibits me from doing so.
Hit the speedometer right now.
Oh God, I can't say it. Yeah, we're not going slow.
We're pinned, dude.
Hold on, Ben. We're busy shitting our pants. What was that? get out of the way.
I'm in a GTR. Do you not understand? Do you not understand the gravity of the situation?
Come on, please take this turn.
Which way did they turn?
I don't know. Which way are we going? Where are we going?
Go straight. Go straight.
Where are we going?
Right. I hope they went this way, but I don't know if I even have enough service to pull up the route. Okay. The road looks a little wet.
A little bit.
They could have gone straight where we turned, but we're gonna end up in the same place. Hey, we found them!
Nice.
Yay, we went the opposite way, but we caught up. Like we're playing Forza and you make like one mistake at the end of a race and you can't catch up and you're behind the whole time and fucking everybody just passes. You're like, I just committed 30 minutes of my life to this race and now I'm gonna have to start over. Oh damn, they're passing. They're passing me.
Fucking Christ, dude. Come on, go, dude! Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, you had like a fucking year.
Road, how's the road?
Looks good. Oh yeah, we're making moves. Didn't see that, it's too bright, but we're making fucking moves.
I feel like such a badass
Dude,
right now.
such a fucking badass, dude. I'm so erect and I'm not even driving.
Come on! Why do you need to be on a boat today?
Behind some dude towing a boat. Who needs a boat? I would just understand the position I was in and move the fuck over.
Yeah.
Like, there's a yellow car with a big ass spoiler behind you. It's common courtesy to pull over.
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah. Man, they've been here for a while, it looks like. They're all settled in and shit.
Up, dude.
God.
If I'm saying it, that fucker's crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Ben learned his place. Maybe if I was driving that car, but not this one. That shit's fucking scary.
I'm going after you.
I like that. I mean, I was going in front of this guy, but like...
You go. You go.
You go.
Fucking Aston Martin Vantage, dude. That's so sick. Oh my god.
I have so many feelings, like right now.
You want to have some more?
Yeah.
There's just a sheriff's office right here.
Shit.
Did you ever think you would see this view ever in your life? Because I didn't.
Well, certainly not from
from the inside of one of these fucking things? Yeah, from the driver's seat of one of these fucking things. No, never.
Yeah.
Those rev match downshifts are buttery smooth also. I'd like to point that out.
Oh, there's an RV! Oh, it's pulling off! What a nice guy, dude. Stand-up gentleman. Yeah, he sees a fucking red chrome fucking Murcielago behind him. Jesus Yeah, no.
And then it's gonna be sketchy. Then I'm
gotta be a lot more careful.
Yep. Shift in the middle of the fucking turn. God, I'm a fucking animal, dude! I'm an animal! I swear to God, I am the best driver that's ever lived! Oh my God, dude, this fucking view is insane!
I feel like we're in a movie in Japan or some shit.
No, dude. We're legit like in the toge right now, dude. This is ridiculous. Dude, look at the fall leaves and shit. This is the prettiest drive I've ever fucking been on. In the sickest car I've ever fucking driven. I can't even believe my life right now.
That's pretty good.
It doesn't feel real. This thing just handles, dude. This thing just takes it.
I feel like I'm training to be on the space shuttle. Aren't made up for this.
Oh my God, did you hear that?
I did.
I'm so fucking sick! Oh my God, dude. Call a doctor. Call a doctor, cause this man is sick as shit!
When you're in cars like this, it kind of like gives you an actual perspective that like you could die.
Yeah. I think that's why they do it. I think that's why they spend all this money on cars like this, because dude, the amount of adrenaline that's pumping through my veins right now is
ridiculous, I'm sure.
I could cut it with a knife. It is ridiculous. I've got like a pound cake of adrenaline just in my fucking heart right now. I feel like my heart's gonna burst.
Oh fuck.
And like, I'm not gonna lie, I would spend $300,000 on that feeling.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely worth it.
To just have that on tap. Just, dude, this is better than any drug. This is better than any fucking substance you could ever have. This is everything. Fuck, that's fucking...
It's that right-hand drive shit.
I know, dude. I'm not... My stick discipline isn't fucking there yet. My foot and hands are good, but my fucking left hand does not have stick discipline like my right hand.
Still have to think about it a little bit.
Yep. It's like stroking it with the left hand. It feels like a whole nother person doing it.
Yep.
You just feel weird because it's like, is this how I do it with my right hand?
Damn, that's some shit right there, dude.
That's beautiful. Acceleration shot, baby.
Oh, god damn it, dude. Oh, yeah. That shit's packed.
That shit's buried, dude. Oh my god, I'm so tired. My shoulders hurt.
Okay, please don't think I'm stupid, but is this a Skyline?
You nailed it.
Okay. I was like, I think a Skyline just... Okay, and I know that one. Same?
Same.
Okay.
Look at you.
I love cars. Like, it is... Okay, and then a Ferrari, is that...
Lambo.
I
Yeah.
didn't see the front. So dump
I'm not gonna just...
Wow, what are you guys doing?
We're driving through a bunch of really shitty roads. I mean, I can barely drive right now.
Dude, this thing is crazy. Even from the back,
Yeah.
I saw the flames just
Oh,
come
really?
in, dude. It was so fucking
Dude,
huge.
Grant got such a good picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like,
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, it was insane.
Yeah. It's my little shit box.
Shit box.
Wait, what? It doesn't start up. Mustang, if you don't move the fuck over. That's right. This car very fast.
All right, boys, as you guys can see, we're back to reality. We're back in my S300. Oh my God, that was the craziest drive I've ever been on. I hope the videos do it justice because it was absolutely ridiculous. These cars are insane. The best driver's cars. It was awesome. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you like it. Hit the like button. I'll see you guys later.